aspiring photographer.
Look good.
Work it. I'm just kidding. Bassa pizza. Zip put it in the oven. Oh jeez, I'm gonna burn my hand because I'm holding my phone. Okay, so 12:27. What a cutie. What should we do?
I don't know.
We don't know what to do.
I don't know.
We have nothing to do.
Dude, I like these ones. They're good.
This one's like
I love my
the preview of the pictures. You can't really even see it. Oh, you can.
It's cool.
We're looking like they're two screens. That's weird. I took those pictures.
Looks good.
So what are you gonna do? We have nothing to do. You like my flip-flops?
Flip-flop.
I got them today.
Flip-flop.
The Old Navy sale.
Flip-flop.
Okay, bye.